Today we're going to learn how to make a data table using Google Sheets. And in a separate video, you're going to be able to take that data table you created and make a graph. So in the first video, we're going to make that data table. So to get started with that, you need to go ahead and go to Google and go to your little square for your Google Apps. You can click on Google Sheets here, or if that app isn't available right there for you, you can always go to your Drive and click on New, and it'll allow you to create a Google Sheets from there. When you click on it, it'll open up a blank document. With everything that you do now on the computer, you always need to make sure that you take the untitled out of it and retitle it. I suggest putting your name and the title of the assignment, which is the Bubble Gum Lab. Now we're going to create our data table. I only need two columns. Columns are going down and rows are going across. I only need two columns, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 rows. So I'm going to highlight those. Okay, and then I'm going to click Borders. You may need more rows than I'm using because of your different data. From here, I need to label each row, or in your data table, it is typically on the left side is your independent variable, which is what we're changing. In this case, our independent variable for the Bubblegum Lab was number of pieces of gum chewed. When I type that out, my title extends past the A column. So I'm going to have to stretch that over. And now I'm going to add a title for my B column, or my dependent variable, whatever we measured in this lab. And in this case, we measured the diameter of the bubble. And we measured it in millimeters. So you need to also include your unit at the end of that. Again, it extends past the B over here, so I want to go and stretch that. Now I can add my data. Like I said before, your data may look different than mine, or you may have more or less rows. I had, my group decided that we're going to chew bubble gum by twos. So the first piece was 2 pieces, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. Then I can add the diameter of our bubbles blown for each. The first blew a 32 millimeter bubble, 33, 40, 36, and then 25. And that's it. That is how you make a data table using Google Sheets. Make sure that you don't lose this information because it's all saved in our drive. So you go ahead and click on your folder, click Move this item, double click on my drive, and find the folder for physical science so you can go ahead and keep that organized. Check for the next video on how to take your data table and make it a graph.